Hi, welcome to CSC Tech. Now we are discussing about three topics: class, objects and method. First, a class. Class is a group of objects that have the identical properties, common behavior and shared relationship. Class is a group of objects, which means on a single class name we can create a number of objects. So that's why class and objects are having identical properties, common behavior and shared relationship. Next, a class binds the data and its related functions together. Class binds the data means the programmer wanting information about something, that's data all are bind in class and related functions together. Here we take one example. Tata and Maruti are the members of class car. The syntax of the class is class space class name. Here we take class name as car. Next, Tata and Maruti are the members of class car. Third point, class defines the actions and properties of objects because an object is instance of class. Here we take one more example. Class car, we define the properties and actions of the car in a class. Second topic, object. Object are the primary runtime entities in object oriented programming language. Object which is work in during execution time. So primary runtime entities, object. Next, the action of the object depends upon the member function defined within its class. Object action depends on the member function. That member function which is bind in class. Next, we know that object an entity which exists in the real world. Example, telephone, book, computer, TV, home, bicycle, etc. Next, we take one more example about object. Here we take one class, Andhra Pradesh population. Next, we write the name of the city, population, area and display function in a class app. Then in main method we can create a object city. Then during execution process the city call the display function because the action of the object depends on the member functions. Next, here we take one example of the class and object. Here we write two header files and one class A. Next, int c variable public void add int a comma int b constant. This is a constant function. Here c equal to a plus b. It is an invalid statement because constant functions do not perform any operations. So this is a invalid statement. This is only valid statement is a plus b because we write in add function two parameters int a comma int b. So a plus b is valid. So we print the a plus b. Then we close the class with semicolon. Next we write the main method clr class a. We can create object a. So we call the function a dot add function. So we give values to a and b. Next output will be a plus b equal to 3. Next, third topic is method. A method is an operation required for an object or entity when coded in a class is called a method. Object will work only during execution. So in execution process the object required operation, that operation which take from the class because object action is depend on the methods or member functions. Methods are member functions which are stored in class. Here we take one example. On a class, a private data member n, in public method 1, method 2, method n. These are methods are member functions. The object wanting operation in a class, methods are member functions. Here we close the class with semicolon. Thank you.